All right, guys, they're here. They've been released, the 2024 Factory Edition 250 and 450. Pretty much the same bike that most of us expected. It does say that the frame has been reworked for a little better flex. Personally, most of us amateur guys, we love the flex of the new frame, but there was an issue apparently with Supercross with a few guys. Whatever, KTM says they've reworked it. Also, new radiator shrouds that are supposed to improve cooling. And then also the connectivity unit off-road is back. I'm not sure if this is the same unit that was available previously, but then the supplier's factories burnt down and they couldn't get it. I'm not sure, but this unit, they are kind of marketing it on this new bike, and I'm going to go over the details of what you can do in this new unit in another video. But pretty much what we expected this year, going with Sexton's number on there, sharp bike. Maybe next year we will see the all-new bike. We'll have to see. So what do you guys think?